Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Danny from Cupcakes Gourmet, and today we're gonna make this cutie pie tiger, and the pan is perfect for a party favor or to give as a present or to use. And before we start the video, please don't forget to subscribe and the red button and press to the bell button so you get all the notifications. All my social media is up here, and if you're looking for a video and just finding in Portuguese, just please press the videos and go through, and you're gonna see that I put all my videos in Portuguese and English so you can find yours. So we're gonna start this video making a little ball with orange to start making his face. You can also use this tutorial to make the topper or a candle or anything. I'm just putting in the pan because I wanted to give as a present, but you can make, you know, as big as you want, holding whatever you want. So we made a little teardrop shape with yellow, and now we're gonna make a roll with yellow and make it kind of like look like a sea or a half moon. Then it's gonna be the bottom part of his mouth. Just make that very soft, get all the, you know, cracks and things away. And now we're gonna open the orange and we're gonna make the same half moon shape, and we're gonna press right on the top of the yellow. And we're gonna push right into the first ball we made. So you have the head and the mouth part. Just smooth the clay on the bottom so you don't have anything not pretty. And we're gonna cut the yellow on the half, leaving a little bit of the yellow for the orange on the top and the rest of the yellow on the bottom for his mouth. Now I cut it at half a circle. I just thought that I needed a little bit more yellow to the eyes part of his face, and so I put it again, and now I made a tiniest snake I could for the eyebrows and the tiniest ball I could for the eyes. Now we're gonna make a little pinky ball for his nose, and we're gonna place right in the front of his face. Now we're gonna make two orange balls, and we're gonna make a little indentation on the middle, and we're gonna place a little bit of yellow clay on that indentation to start making his ears. And we're gonna cut it, making one side flat, then fits perfectly on the head. And we're gonna place right there. Now we're gonna start making the little stripes. It has two stripes right between the yellow and the orange, and a stripe right between his ears. For now, we're just gonna make those on the top, and then at the end we make more, just to see if his face looks like we want. And then both sides he has like two little stripes on each side, so we're gonna just place that. Sometimes I need the details to see if I like the way the face looks. And now we're gonna make a long roll because he's very tall and skinny, and we're gonna cut the bottom part to separate for the legs. So now we're gonna shape the legs, so you need to smooth everything out and make a little he has those long legs and he's always jumping around, so you're gonna bend it a little bit and you tap on the table so you know that the bottom part it's straight, so he can stand if he needs it. And now we're just gonna mark a little bit of the sides to show that he is not with his legs straight. Now we'll open a little yellow and a long way to put in the top of his belly. Doesn't need to be thick, it's just to give him a little life. And you can mark on the sides to give more of the cutie tiger style. Now we're gonna open two oval shapes as big as you want for his fit, so you're just gonna place right under each one of the legs. And I'm gonna do that to the other side too. And now we're gonna start making the hole for the pen to go in. I start with a tool, and now I'm gonna place the pen in the back. Don't worry if you and the back, you can see the pen for a while. It's very hard to do that and not lose the shape. So worry more in not losing the shape of his body than to make a hole, because you can fix it later. Now I'm gonna open long rows to make his arms. His arms are not even close hard to make as a princess. You just need to bend it a little bit and measure the size, cut the excess, and put it on the body. Just like that. Now we're gonna make another one for his hands, and then we can save the other one to start his tail after. And this one, I want him to be a little curvy, like he has, you know, hands on the hips. And the other one, I'm just gonna put his tail. You can definitely use a pen that's a little prettier than this one I'm using. Is just because it's the only one I had it, and I just wanted to test to see how pretty it looked, and it was super cool. Now all my kids want it, so I'm gonna look for like an orange kind of pen to look prettier. But you can use any pen you want, or you can even cover the pen if you want to. I made a little circle with the black, and I'm just covering the end of his tails. And now I'm gonna open a bunch of little tiny skinny snakes in black to start making all the little stripes that he has all over his body. He has a lot of stripes on his tail, so that's what I'm gonna start, and arms and belly and legs everywhere. It's so cute, and you don't use anything. And actually, I'm using the lightweight clay. I think he called paper clay as well. I'm using that because I thought it was going to be easier for you to hold the pen, so it's not going to be super heavy. And also because I want to try play a little bit more to see if I like it. I'm not sure how I feel about this yet. When it dries, it feels like foam, so it kind of throws me off a little bit. But since the steps is the same, it doesn't matter what clay or fondant or whatever you're using, the steps are the same. But I'm just letting you guys know that I'm using it in case you want to try too. And it's not expensive, so you can make a bunch of those pens to give it away, give them to teachers, to friends, whatever. And he is totally done. You press his head on the body, and he is ready to use when he's dry. Like, it was a hit here. I just tried very fast, and the kids love it, so I need to make more. I hope you guys like it, this video. Please don't forget to give me a like before you go. It's just go up there, and then on the show more information box, you can find anything, all my materials, all my links, explanations, why is there, everything that you want to see is there. And leave me a comment. I'm gonna love to see it. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.